And here is your Yema cake, Stephanie. If you have a request, please do put it in the comment section below. Yema cake is a Filipino chiffon cake with a custard filling or frosting. This one will be a caramel flavor. Eliminate any oil residues on your tools by wiping it down with lemon juice or vinegar. And also make sure your eggs are at room temperature before starting. Do check the written recipe and oven baking instruction below for any last-minute tips and tricks. Oops, I forgot the vanilla. Beat this until it's creamy, about 1 minute. Do watch to the end if you are new to rice cooker baking. There are important tips for you there. If using the same beater attachment, make sure you wash that thoroughly first. Gradually add the sugar in thirds, beating until stiff peak. And I would really love it if you like this video. And do say hi in the comment section below. And subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, because you will get a new recipe every Saturday. Add 1/3 into the batter and slowly fold with the spatula in one direction. Be sure to scrape the bottom and the sides and also cutting through the middle. The slow fold in one direction will prevent new bubbles, making our cake soft and moist. Line your pot with parchment paper, but do not grease it, and slowly pour in the batter. Now tap it a few times to release any bubbles. As you can see, I am almost at the max line for my 1-liter pot here. The paper towel will catch steam water, keeping your cake dry. One bake cycle is 5 minutes in cooked status and about 25 minutes in the warm status. After 2 bake, there's still wet batter on my knife, so let's do 1 more bake. Be sure to see the tips at the end of the video for various type of rice cooker settings. Clean tester. Cool this for only 5 minutes. And then turn it onto a cooling rack to cool completely. So from my lessons learned, mix these 4 ingredients in the large bowl together. I did not do that, so you don't have a video of it. And since this is a rice cooker baking video, I am using my rice cooker to brown my sugar. But you can do this over a stove top in medium to low heat as well, and cook it until it's dark brown. Then add a little bit of the milk mixture and stir to mix. Now add all the milk and stir it regularly to prevent burning on the bottom. Once the sauce is thickened, remove it from heat and add the cold butter. And at the last minute, I decided to reduce my butter. That was a bad idea. Do use the full 1/2 cup of butter. Now pour the caramel into a mixing bowl. Beat this for about 5 minutes until you get that spreadable consistency. Since I removed half my butter, mine was very thick and I could not beat any more than 2 minutes. That's why I make the mistake, so you don't have to. And this is a perfect soft and moist chiffon cake. Make sure to frost the cake while your caramel is still hot. Mine was warm and I had a hard time trying to get it to spread, but it was manageable. You can also warm it up if you need to. Now chill the cake for a few hours or overnight to set it. I can't wait to eat, so I'm going to cut into mine. Doesn't this look beautiful? Oh yeah, what do you think? And bouncy as well. I hope you will love it, Stephanie. Thank you for the request. If you have a request, please do put it in the comment section below. Just look at that ooey gooey caramel. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. The base cake is fruit sweet, but it's sugar sweet with the caramel.